Welcome to the HVI app. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add a heavy vehicle or construction equipment into your digital fleet. Start by tapping on the Vehicle and Equipment module from your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all fleet assets. Now tap the Add Vehicle button at the bottom right to begin registering a new machine. Enter required details such as vehicle number, category, name, model, and meter reading. Select units like miles, kilometers, or hours depending on tracking method. Add optional but important fields like purchase date, VIN number, operator name, and warranty expiry. These enhance tracking, warranty claims, and reporting later. Set the ownership mode and maintenance priority to help schedule preventive maintenance accordingly. Once all the information is complete, tap Save. The vehicle is now registered in your fleet. You can now perform inspections, update status, or start a work order directly from the action menu. That's how you add a vehicle in the HVI app. For more tutorials, visit heavyvehicleinspection.com.